Hey guys, Ironblood10 here, and we are back playing Subnautica. Just zap nothing with this. Oh, that needs to exchange power source, huh? Let's do that real quick. But we have got a call actually, so let's just get right into this.
This is Avery Quinn of Trading Ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over? Nothing but vacuum. These Altera ships. They run low on engine grease, send an SOS, you offer to help, they don't pick up. Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's gonna take more than a week to reach your position. Do you still need our assistance? Over. I'll try them again tomorrow. Damn charter's gonna have us blowing our credits running errands for Altera. See what the long-range scans pick up in the meantime.
Oh, that guy didn't seem happy. He really didn't. Okay. Let's go out. Yeah, so I'm trying to make a rebreather. So I can go to a very special place. I still need a magnetite computer chip. Not exactly easy. Rebreather, wiring kit, and fiber mesh. I might actually have that. The wiring kit takes us 2 silver, so I need 1 more silver. I've got this thing, which I don't know what to do with it. I've got... Don't need all this. I mean, I also did some stuff with my... also did some stuff with the base. If you guys want to come check this out real quickly. It wasn't giving me power because it wasn't day, so the solar panel wasn't giving me anything. And I also built a desk and a chair and a trash can. And I built this pathway, but I need a couple things to do that. Let's just go through here. Need to go to the creep vine area. I have loads of inventory space. What's in here? Need stalker tooths, which I found you'll find just lying around on the floor. All that metal salvage bunched up in one spot actually kind of scares me, because there are probably a lot of stalkers there. What's this? I don't care. I just need a stalker tooth. It's harder to find than I thought it'd be. What's in this? Sea glide. There's a lot of sea glide. I need stalker tooth. 2. Because sorry about that slip there, guys, but as you can see in my base, there's a pathway that led to nothing. I was gonna make that lead to an observatory, but I need enabled glass, which takes a stalker tooth, and I learned stalker tooth.
30 seconds.
Oh my gosh, that actually made me jump. Where'd my life pod go? I'm actually kind of far away from my life pod. Oh my gosh, that actually made me jump. That really made me jump. That's an infected stalker. We need to keep doubly away from him. He's got something. I just know there are infected stalkers and we need to keep away from them. Whoa. What is that? Pick up creature egg. I don't really know if I want to. But, guys, I'll be back. I'm just gonna look for some stalker tooth. Yes, stalker tooth. Did I get it? It's gone. Where'd it go?
New blueprint acquired.
I don't think the stalker noticed me. Yes. Now get me out of here. This place horrifies me. But that allows me to make the enabled glass, because I got 2, right? Yes, 2 stalker tooths. That allows me to make the enabled glass, which will allow me to do something. You guys have to see. It's going to be so cool. What does it take again? Oh, it just took some titanium. But yes, you guys saw there. I'm making an observatory because why not? I need 2 glass, which I have 2 quartz right there. I need more quartz. Alright, let's just... Then right there makes enabled glass. I guess I'll go find some of that, I guess. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I found out the name of those guys. And on my jailbreak new update video, I said that I'd tell you guys what happened if I got on and did something, what would happen. So it didn't work. Here should be a rusty source of quartz. Yep, see? Oh, I'm out of here. But, let's just go this way. And, this will give me the observatory. I still need another silver to get the...
Seek fluid intake.
I need water. Okay, I think I have water on me. So I'll just drink it. Yeah, I have water right
Vital
there.
signs
There we are.
stabilizing.
Yep. Don't need that. There it is, guys. My observatory. You should go inside.
Constructed with a specific research task in mind. Observatories and other glass modules are imprudent for survival purposes.
Oh, this is awesome. Look at it. I can just look outside. This is so cool. Worth it. That was so worth it. Right, guys, I'm going to do a cut here, and I'm going to go find the silver so I can make that Alright guys, I'm back. I did not actually get the stuff, I just needed to tell you real quick. Right about 10 seconds before I did the cut, my microphone went dead, so my sound, you'll just hear the game, so I really apologize about that. And there's not really I didn't know that my thing was dead, but I'll see you guys back in a bit, so goodbye. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the silver that I needed. I need a fiber mesh, I think. And does it yeah, I need a wiring kit. I need a fiber mesh. Yeah, how do I make a fiber mesh? Oh, 2 creepvine samples? That's it? I've got the rebreather. Let's go. Grab me the creepvine. Let's go here, personal equipment. I need to go here first. Fiber mesh. Alright, personal equipment. Rebreather! Yes, guys! What this does is allows, when you go deeper in this game, things get it makes more oxygen the deeper you go. But what I did is now the rebreather, when I put the rebreather helmet on, it makes it to no matter how deep you go, you use up the same amount of oxygen. So yeah, really useful for where we're heading. So now that I have it, I will see you guys when we're at where we need to go. Goodbye. Alright, hey guys, I'm back at the special location. That special location is down here. I am going to have to go here and put the rebreather on. Oh, geez, there's radiation. That's gonna make things hard. I guess I'll have to go in without the rebreather. Oh gosh. I'm scared now, actually. Because this area is radiation. That won't allow the rebreather to help me. Instead, go someplace in radiation helmet. So guys, wish me luck, I guess. I'm gonna have to go in here without the rebreather. This location is called Jelly Shroom Cave.
Passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
What's in here? Oh, I already have the stasis. Oh gosh. More stasis rifle.
The conditions in this cave support a microcosm of unique, possibly predatory life forms. Detecting an artificial structure somewhere in the region.
Yeah, I'd expect that'd probably be this.
New blueprint acquired.
Oh my god.
30 seconds.
I need to go really fast. I have 20 seconds to get to the surface.
Oxygen.
I am going to die. I'm about to die, aren't I? I just died. Oh gosh. Oh god. Alright guys, oh, that has 0. There's the one. Alright, I have 2 0% batteries. I guess, guys, I died. That was my first death. Wow, I did not expect that to happen like that. Alright, equipment. I need a higher thing. Which one's the one I have? I have the high capacity. The one I had the ability to make was the high capacity. This is going to be difficult. I did not expect that to go like that. What did I need? I can put that away. There's something I wanted to grab, but I don't remember what. Notification station, indoor rope bed, signs, wheelchair. Got a battery, alien containment, bulkhead. On hitting the mic, that's thermoblade. Survival knife and battery. I need that in the modification station. That was gruesome though, guys. I need to find a way to get, let's check the data bank. Advanced series, blueprints. Data downloads. Aurora survivors.
You really think it'll carry 2 of us?
Your regular sea glide tows a mass of 80 kilograms at over 30 kilometers an hour. The power cellar rig to this one should double that.
You think there's something out there that's faster?
Oh, sure. And that's assuming it doesn't overload 3 meters from the light pod.
You're calm about this.
I'm seeing the engineering problem. If I stop seeing the maths, I'll be terrified.
What's this?
What is that thing?
I don't know. I found it outside in the sand.
Part of another ship?
None I've ever seen.
It's not even scratched.
Don't fool around with it. It might be worth something.
Stand down, Chief. If it were gonna crumble to dust, it would have done so when I picked it up.
It's glowing.
We're not the first people to come to this planet.
People. Maybe. Could be aliens.
Hmm.
Could be the damn sea monsters for all we know.
Ew.
One thing for sure, we ain't gonna find out by staying here.
Well, this isn't really doing us a lot. So let's just go back to here. I really need to drop some stuff. Oh, it's night. I guess we should head back here. It's not that far away to get to there, so we could probably just go there. I mean, there's one little piece of nothingness that I need, and if I can get it, then this piece that I'm looking for will help me make something called the stasis rifle, which will allow me to kind of try to think of the word, kind of knock them out for like 30 seconds, so I could try to kill them or get away from something.
Passing 100 meters.
So I've just got to get in here. I need to make sure, let's say 60 seconds of oxygen left. And then
Passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
What's this? Yes, that's what I needed. I'm out of here. I might actually... Give me an Oculus.
New creature discovered.
It's gonna be 2 Oculuses. I'm out of here. I need to go now. Alright guys, I think I made it. I think I'm good with oxygen. But I got what I needed. Ooh! This is exciting, guys. But I need to use the rebreather there, but it won't let me, so I mean it's really actually kind of difficult. So I mean, we need to go visit that life pod sometime soon, but I mean I'd like to get some bigger materials. I'd like to get a stasis rifle to do that. But really quickly, guys, I can make something. I've got also Oculuses, which I'm not gonna mess with. I do not want to cook my Oculuses. I want to go to tools. Computer chip. How do I make a computer chip? Table coral, gold, and copper wire. That's easy enough. Need gold. I have enough for a copper wire. Make me a copper wire. I just need table coral, which is really easy to get, which is right here actually. There. Computer chip hoe. And then once I get this, we'll probably have to end the episode today. We need to go here, electronics, computer chip, personal tools, stasis rifle. I want to go I want to go fight a stalker. That's awesome, guys. Look at this. Ah, come on. Look at that, guys. That's awesome. Oh, what should I replace with it? Let's get rid of that. Let's replace the habit.
Motivational note. Craig McGill crash-landed in the acid swamps of Boreal 9, fought off arachnid kidney poachers, and hijacked a tame Star War. If he can do all that, you can survive one more day.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this thing is awesome. But, holding a stasis rifle. Alright, guys, sorry about that. I recorded just a bit too long. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Subnautica video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye!